Welcome to paradise. Absolutely gorgeous, renovated condo with some of the best panoramic ocean views. This is a south end corner unit with an oversized guest bedroom, and these units rarely go up for sale. Upgrades galore, featuring a remodeled open kitchen with granite countertops, LVP floors, updated bathrooms, sliding glass door to the balcony in the primary bedroom, heavy-duty Arcadia balcony door, etc. Recent building exterior facelift completed, which includes floor-to-ceiling glass, transparent railings, modern look, new elevators and much more. Ideal location at the north end, directly on the boardwalk, just a couple of blocks from the new Marriott, the Cavalier and local favorite restaurants. To top it all off, the building is grandfathered with the city to operate short-term rentals and weekly rentals are allowed. Condo fee includes water, sewer, trash pickup, master insurance, flood insurance, basic cable, Wi-Fi and a local phone line.